morning, Dane Wilson here with Lender's Choice Credit Solutions. Just a reminder of a special program that we are now offering for any teacher, police officer, firefighter, EMS, veteran, active military. We offer our services at 50% off. So if you know anybody or if you are one of those, again, teacher, police officer, firefighter, EMS, veteran, active military, and you need some help with your credit, we want to offer our services to you at a 50% discount as a thank you for everything that you do for us. Another thing that we're doing that I wanted to tell you about is at the end of every month, we're going to ask that if you know anybody or if you yourself need help, if you're a realtor or loan officer and you have clients that are going through a tough time and they need help with their credit, we're going to pick 10 deserving families and offer a free credit repair each month starting now. So if you or someone you know needs help with this, please get in touch with me. My email is Dane, D-A-N-E, at lendersccs.com, like Lender's Choice Credit Solutions, lendersccs.com. And tell me a little bit about your situation. I'd like to schedule a call with you. And then, like I said, at the end of every month, we're going to offer 10 families free credit repair just to help. We want to help and do as much as we can. So if you have any questions about that, get in touch with me. But we look forward to helping you. Have a great day. Thanks.